Today we're gonna show how we cook our mixed vegetable. Firstly, heat the oil and then add the cumin seeds and then let them crackle. Once it finishes crackling, then we add the ginger, garlic and chili paste. Mix it well till both ginger and garlic raw aroma goes away. Then add finely chopped onions. Saute it until they turn light golden. Then add chopped tomatoes, mix it well, saute till they turn pulpy. And add the spices, the chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and salt to taste. And don't forget to add water in it and mix it all well. Once it's all mixed well, then we add the potatoes. Mix the spices well with the potato. Then we add the chopped carrots. And as you can see, we have added cauliflower and green peas as well. Mix the veggies well. Cover it with a lid for about 5 to 7 minutes on low to medium flame. When it's done, then we check whether the veggies are fully cooked. And as you can see, it's all mixed well and it's ready to eat. It goes good with chapatis or rice. Thank you.